We are living in a world that really is a psychological world. All things take place in the imagination of man. All things. And so, because they do take place there, let them take place there first, before you expect to see them on the outside. So assume that you are the man that you would like to be. Believe that you are. Try to catch all the feeling that would be yours if it were true. Give it all the tones and the feeling of reality in that assumption that you are already the one that you want to be. Try that, and I assure you from my own experience, what you have assumed that you are, you will become. You have already become what you are because you once assumed that you are it. Everything in the world is just like that. It's all imagination. And all that you behold, though it appears without, really is within, in your own wonderful human imagination, of which this world of mortality is but a shadow. You bring the whole thing into this world. So you lose it, you can repeat it. For the reality never disappears. This is the shadow world. How would you bring it back? By contemplating the state and assuming the state once again and feeling that you are now what you want to be. And bring it right back into your world. Man thinks it's gone and gone for good. No. Their eternal forms are forever. They never disappear.